ये quirky बहुत महंगी चीजें देती है. I'm gonna shout at her after this. It is feeling like my birthday now. If she's given me a makeup pouch, I am going to cry with happiness. Oh, dude. This is exceeding my own birthday budget for myself. Hello. Hi, Quirky Squad and Sarah Squad. I am so excited for this mystery box, especially because it's Sarah's birthday month. So I have curated a very beautiful birthday mystery box for her. I have met Sarah quite a few times now and I've spent good time with her. So I think I know कि उसको क्या चीज पसंद आएगी क्या नहीं आएगी. So मैंने अपनी and जितना मैं उसको जानती हूँ उस sensibility के हिसाब से I've curated this mystery box. There are a few little presents for her family and also fudge. Everything that you will find out in this mystery box is hand picked. Genuinely, it was an honor to create a mystery box for someone who I consider one of my friends in Mumbai. I am so excited to see your reactions and सबके reactions actually. I'm just praying to God that you enjoy opening this mystery box and कुछ चीजें genuinely surprise you. बस यही मेरी इच्छा है and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is probably my first video of a so-called birthday series. I never really do a birthday series on my channel. Like ऐसा मैं regularly तो नहीं upload करती हूँ. But I am going to be posting every video from now on which will be somewhat related to my birthday. I am not that excited about my birthday because the more you're turning older, the more I'm going towards 30s. I'm like, oh, मुझे नहीं बड़ा होना, मुझे नहीं बुढ़ा होना. But बुढ़ा नहीं मतलब अब मुझे बड़ा नहीं होना. Like I really want to stay like not even young. I feel like I want to go back into my childhood, back into the time that I used to spend with my girls and just do time pass and not have to wake up every morning and work. You know, I'm having a lot of that in 2026 where I feel like why is time going so fast? But unfortunately, it's not in our hand. We all have to get older and it's a part of life and it's a new chapter. And today's first birthday video is a mystery box. It's a birthday mystery box made by that quirky Miss Aditi Shrestha. She has made me a mystery box and may I tell you, it is a wholesome mystery box. It's big, okay? And when she came to Bombay, अगर मेरे vlog में आपने देखा, she came to Bombay for 2 days. That time she got this for me. Actually, full idea ये था कि जब मैं दिल्ली गई थी, तभी I was mainly going so that I can shoot content with Aditi, and I wanted to like spend time with her, and she would take me around Delhi and show me her favorite places, make me eat her favorite food. And you know, I've always had such a bad memory of Delhi, and she really wanted to change that for me. And unfortunately, इस बार जब मैं दिल्ली गई तो आपको भी पता है क्या हो गया. जब लास्ट टाइम मैं दिल्ली गई थी अक्टूबर में तो देयर वाज अ फायर इन माय वेयरहाउस. आई वाज फुल टाइम इन डिप्रेशन, आई वाज फुल टाइम इन माय ओन बीटी एंड मैं कुछ भी मतलब उसके साथ टाइम नहीं स्पेंड कर पाई. एंड जितना भी आई कुड स्पेंड टाइम विद हर, शी वाज देयर फॉर मी एंड शी वाज रियली लाइक होल्डिंग इट टुगेदर फॉर मी. बट हम कुछ भी शूट नहीं कर पाए साथ में और कहीं घूमने नहीं जा पाए. तो शी टोल्ड मी तू जा अपने आप आराम से सब कुछ हैंडल कर ले काम पे, एंड व्हेन आई कम आई विल मेक यू अ दिल्ली मिस्ट्री बॉक्स एंड ब्रिंग इट टू यू. सो आई मेड हर अ बॉम्बे मिस्ट्री बॉक्स. मैं तो वो वैसे भी लेके गई थी एंड शी वाज गोइंग टू टेक मी अराउंड इन दिल्ली, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट she got me Delhi in a box. So that's what we have here. And she said that she's made it a little bit like a birthday mystery box also. So इसीलिए मैं उसको birthday series का सबसे पहले वीडियो में अभी अनबॉक्स करने वाली हूँ. ये बॉक्स खोलने के लिए मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बर्थडे की एक्साइटमेंट ऐसी फील नहीं हो रही. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये बॉक्स खोल के मुझे थोड़ा बर्थडे जैसा लगेगा. She's also numbered all the items, so I want to arrange everything and then open it number by number. If you're interested to see everything that quirky miss has gifted me, then continue watching. If this is the first time you come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget the bell icon right next to it, so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Also, just want to put it here that I have made quirky a Mumbaiya mystery box, a Bombay mystery box, and that is going to be on her channel. उसका unboxing, उसके reactions, मैंने क्या दिया, everything. तो उसका link भी मैं description में आप लोग के लिए डाल दूंगी, so don't forget to watch that too. अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा birthday है because ऐसा फैलाए हुए 20 presents है इधर सामने. मुझे बहुत मजा आने वाला है इसको खोलने. I love giving gifts and receiving gifts. Gift giving is definitely a love language for me, and so is it for Quirky. I know that because she always gifts something for everyone's birthday. I'm so grateful that she's done this for me. Like I'm so privileged that I get to open this as the first gift for my birthday. She's out to beat Reet also because उसने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया अभी तक. But Reet बोला मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? Actually, it's only what today's date is?
It's only like 8.
It's only 8th Jan. The 21 days है मेरे birthday. 21 days for Reet to show up. Anyways, time to shine. Hello, this is for all the moments you shine without even trying. Okay, I love guessing. Shine without even trying. Like highlighter?
That's too basic. Shine without even trying. Like a body glow product. ऐसा कुछ होगा. देखते हैं. Baghu या अपन. ये कोकी बहुत महंगी महंगी चीजें देती है. Swarovski का बैग. First चीज तो Swarovski का बैग दी है. I'm a little scared. I was scared to do a mystery box with Koki because she goes all out, which is why I didn't want her to make me a box. Ma'am has. Oh my god. I'm kinda scared if we gave her the same because even I have put something Swarovski in her box because I know she loves jewelry and she loves Swarovski also. I in fact used to not like Swarovski as a brand because I used to feel like nahi real diamond nahi. But I actually understood the value of it after my real diamonds started getting robbed on trips. That थोड़े ऐसे सस्ते like not real diamonds में भी invest करना चाहिए. And Swarovski में I also invested lately and I know she loves it. So I put it in her box too. But it does not. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is not even in the Mumbai store. This is their logo wala pendant. Can you see how pretty this is? It's got their logo wala swan and then there are two more crystals. It's really stunning. It's rose gold. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I want to wear this, but it's not going to show in this outfit. It's really pretty. I've seen the logo wala swan on bracelets and necklaces, but this wala detailing I haven't seen in the Mumbai store. We are off to a really expensive start. I really hope it gets cheaper from here. One for you, one for her. Hashtag no nazar for Sarosh sisters. Okay, she's put something for Sabrina. That's so sweet. Like a nazar battu for the two of us. What is this? Fudgy is also excited. This is from some brand Terrana. Oh, really pretty. Two bracelets with the evil eye on it. Really, really beautiful. I really love it. I don't love wearing like hand stack. You all know I love wearing something in the hand. सबसे ज़्यादा. In my necklaces से ज़्यादा मैं हाथ में तो non-stop पहनती हूँ. So this is one for me and one for Sabrina. Why is she getting stuff in my mystery box? But it's okay. It's okay. We'll share it. उसका birthday भी Feb में आता है तो मैं तो उसको birthday पे दे दूँगी. 3. Since we couldn't go to Sarojini together, I brought Sarojini to you. This was the most important. She told me she'll make me a Delhi box because मैं Sarojini नहीं जा पाई. And Quirky, if you know, अगर आपने उसके videos देखे, you know she's the queen of Sarojini Nagar. She knows where to go, what to buy, and she always gets the best picks. मैं आज तक लाइफ में सिर्फ 2 बार गई हूँ and दोनों बार मैं बहुत overwhelm हो गई हूँ क्योंकि वो बहुत busy market है और उसमें पता होना चाहिए कौन सी दुकान में जाना है, क्या लेना है, etc etc. And अगर आप विंटर में जाओ ना तो आपको विंटर के कपड़े मिलते हैं जो मुंबई में तो विंटर होती नहीं है. तो आई वुड नॉट एंड अप बाइंग एनीथिंग बिकॉज इट वुड नॉट मेक सेंस टू मी इन मुंबई. बट आई डोंट नो ऑल्सो हाउ टू गो, विच इज वाई आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गो विथ Quirky. And unfortunately किसी दिन वो मैं पूरा करूँगी इंशाल्लाह. But आज के लिए very nice box for something that's bought from Sarojini. Oh, she's packaged it I think nicely. Yay, we've got oxidized jewelry and oh man, I really needed this. I really needed it. I was telling her कि मेरे Indian outfits के मेरे सारे झुमके टूट चुके या खराब हो चुके हैं and she's got me some really nice jewelry. Jewelry even I love. Not as much as Quirky though, but I also love it of course. बहुत अच्छी उसकी choice बहुत अच्छी है Quirky. मुझे बहुत पसंद है उसकी चॉइस. वो जो डेली स्टैक भी पहनती है बहुत खूबसूरत है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ झुमका दैट शी हैज गॉट मी. कैन यू सी? लुक्स रियली नाइस ना. इट्स गॉट सिल्वर ऑक्सीडाइज्ड विद मोती विद कुर्तीज. इट लुक्स सो गुड एंड इट कम्स विद दिस मांग टीका आल्सो. दिस इज अ होल मूड इन इटसेल्फ. एंड द अदर सेट इज माय फेवरेट. मुझे ये ज्यादा पसंद आई. मैं मोस्टली ऐसे सूट पहनती हूँ जहाँ मुझे ये वाला फिनिश लगता है लाइक कुंदन पर्ल वाला फिनिश एंड इट्स लॉन्ग. आई रियली लव लॉन्ग इयररिंग्स. आई डोंट लाइक टू वेयर एनीथिंग इन द नेक and I love wearing लंबे earrings Indian outfit पे. Finally मुझे नए मिल गए because मेरे 2 टूट चुके हैं. So these are really pretty. You know in Mumbai you get all this very expensive. So I really hope she's not paid a bomb for this and it's kind of more affordable than Bombay. Because Bombay में I've paid like 2000, 3000 and once I told her कि मैंने 2000 के लिए and she's like are you mad? So she told me that and these are like lovely dangly earrings for an outfit like this. This would be perfect on this outfit. मेरे बाल currently ऐसे blowed out है कि वो दिखेंगे भी नहीं अगर मैंने पहना. I love them. Love this Sarojini feel that I'm finally getting some jewelry. मेरा पूरा upgrade हो चुका है at this point. Okay, the next box says XOXO because smelling amazing is always part of the personality. I want to say this has like a body care product. Of course, you know, smelling बोला है. Perfume भी हो सकता है या फिर body lotion, body cream ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Oh, Bath and Body Works. It's been a hot minute that I've shopped at Bath and Body Works. Man, this girl has spent a lot of money. What is this? I'm gonna shout at her after this. This is a full box, the full gift set. एक उठा के देना होता है. एक. She's really like quirky is the definition of extra. I must say. I love her, so it's okay. I have to shout at her sometimes. I'm like, तू बहुत खर्चा कर रही है. Don't spend so much money on other people, including me. That had to apply. Oh, it's the gingham box, but this is some new fragrance. ये वाली मैंने कभी नहीं try की है. This is the Snowflakes and Cashmere body wash cream, the ultimate body cream and the body mist. The body mist says always and forever. So cute. So I've honestly never tried this fragrance. Let me smell the body cream. मुझे लगा gingham का box है तो gingham वाली range होगी. Gingham मेरे पास है तो I know what that smells like. Oh man. Dude, honestly never tried the stuff she's given me. That is very surprising because ये सारे brands में मैं normally जाती हूँ but मैंने ये वाले कभी नहीं खुशबू नहीं ली है इसकी. Wow, it's a very nice fragrance. मैं इसको define नहीं कर सकती but it's like warm, cozy, perfect for this winter. Very luxurious and warm and cozy, but not overly sweet and not overly like मीठा नहीं है, coziness है but cinnamon भी overly cinnamon नहीं है. वरना you know cozy fragrances में बहुत cinnamon होता है. बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू है. I love it. I see myself use this the body cream the most because this is a 24-hour lotion and I love this formula because it's very hydrating and then it will make me smell good too. Very nice. Yeah, I've not been to Bath and Body in a very long time. Is this like a new range or something? Love the artwork also on this, like रात का पूरा artwork हो रखा है. Very nice. Let me smell the mist also. I think she's customized this box. Oh. Very nice. Very sophisticated. It's extremely sophisticated fragrance. It's not the same as the body lotion. It's different and it's got more of a sharpness to it, like a lemon zest wala fragrance hai with some woody undernotes. Very, very nice. I'm not the best at describing fragrances, but I know what I like and that's something I really like. Okay, we are going. Dude, this box is extremely good. So far, so great. Fifth one is make it fashion, make it comfy, but still hot. Okay, I think it's a very fashionable set of pajama. Or is it bra? It could be a bra or it could be a pajama or it could be sexy night suits. Because she said make it fashion and make it comfortable. But make it hot. Okay. Not pajama. Ooh, it's a top. It's a cute we need. Q Sharon is very happy because we need good tops for my videos. Because you know, as a content creator, we need tops all the time. क्योंकि इतना ही तो पोर्शन दिखता है. मतलब मुश्किल होती है to keep repeating outfits for the videos that we do, sit down videos. I love this golden detailing that is there. It's in the size large. It's from H&M. I've not been to H&M also in so long. It's a very nice waffle fabric. इसीलिए it's like comfy, but it's of course hot. She said make it comfy. So I thought it's pajama, but it's like comfortable fabric, but hot दिखूंगी मैं ये पहन के hopefully. Dude, that fragrance mist is really nice. I'm like, oh wow, I'm smelling so good. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Always and forever from Bath and Body Works. अभी मैंने पूरा room और मैं एकदम expensive smell कर रही हूँ. It is feeling like my birthday now. Adding a little greenery to your look for days when you want compliments without asking. I like that. I like these notes are also very, very special. I'm going to save all of them. इतने सारे स्टिकर्स लगाए हैं तो मुझे रैपिंग पेपर के साथ सेव करना पड़ेगा. What is this? It's a very nice shade of green. Ooh, this is a really nice dress. I love the neckline. It's got like a cowl neck detail over here. Can you see? दिख रहा है? Cowl neck neckline है. Must long dress है. Fabric is really good. It's ruched also over here on the side and it's also hot and backless. I love it. It's also from H&M and it's in the size large. The fabric on the inside is soft. The outside fabric is, I think इसमें बहुत सारा ऐसा ruched detailing. I'm excited to try and see how it looks on me. Okay, 7 is, अभी ना मुझे भूख लग रही है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसे कुछ तो खाने का डाली है. So I'm going to pause it, not go to 7 and go to this which says 11. It's number 11 for snack craving that you don't fight your protein goals. Because Quirky and I both are on a lifestyle improving journey, nutrition journey. हम दोनों अभी बहुत हेल्दी खाते हैं और हेल्थ की बातें करते हैं. ऐसे ही होता है जब आप बड़े हो रहे हो. तो I love that we align on that. Even when she had come home, I give her everything that my mom makes for me. So it's high protein and it's like low carb and no sugar. And then we were having Sprite Zero together. So that felt like, you know, you can bond with your friends over your goals, your nutrition goals. It felt really nice. And both of us were enjoying that meal. So अभी दोनों जन हम एकदम फिटनेस में है. हमारी फिटनेस era में. And so I'm excited for this. Although मैंने उसको healthy snacks नहीं दिए. मैंने उसको बोला चीट कर ले क्योंकि वो बहुत हेल्दी खाती है घर पे वैसे भी. Okay, this is Truvi के the healthy ragi chips and Doki के chicken chips. This is exciting. Chicken chips Amritsari achari. 141 calories and 10 grams of protein. Interesting. Really nice. You know what? It reminds me of बचपन में वो Monjini's के potato shells आते थे ना, वैसा texture है. Wow, dude, ये कहाँ से ढूंढ के लेके आई ये सब? मैंने कभी सुना भी नहीं इसका. The ingredients are chicken breast, bone broth, tapioca starch, olive oil, sea salt, seasoning, dry mango, onion seed, mustard, fenugreek. It's actually chicken breast डाला है इन लोग ने. Ragi chips तो I have also eaten from Snackable and other brands. Not tried this brand yet. Let me try. It's Truvi. Very tasty. This tastes exactly like जो पाव वाले भैया सोया चकली लेके आते ना, exactly सोया चकली का टेस्ट है. इसमें क्या ingredients है? रागी, उड़द दाल, rice bran oil, cornstarch. I wouldn't say this is that healthy because it has a lot of milk solid and cornstarch and all. But it's okay, you're not supposed to eat पूरा एक साथ. The whole idea of being healthy is eat a little bit of this when you're having your chai, coffee, and you want a little bit of crunch in your mouth. You can't fill your stomach with these snacks. I love the taste. Okay. Number 7 is something to carry glam because your life doesn't stay in one place. If she's given me a makeup pouch, I am going to cry with happiness because for the past how many ever years I've done makeup, I've only used one makeup pouch from Forever 21 and वो makeup pouch की zip अभी कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे फट गई. 1 साल हो गया उस बात को. 1 साल से मैं शेरिन को बोल रही हूँ मेरे को नया मेकअप पाउच दिला के दे मतलब खरीद ले, मैं पैसा भी देती हूँ बट मैडम को याद रहे कि मेरे को मेकअप पाउच चाहिए. हर ट्रिप से पहले मेरा मेकअप पाउच ऐसी वो ओपन चला जाता था. इट्स लाइक फटाफटा एंड शी इज राइट हियर एंड शी इज सीइंग. And if she's given me a makeup pouch. Very good. Quirky, I love you. H&M Beauty का makeup pouch. H&M Beauty तो flop है but उसका makeup pouch तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. It's transparent. I really like that it is transparent. So I can see what I am putting. Finally, I have a makeup pouch जिसमें actually foundation वगैरह सीधा रहेगा and जितना ठूसना चाहती हूँ मैं ठूस सकती हूँ. And अगर नहीं ठूस रही तो it will get like squeezed a little bit. Love the color. Cherry red is definitely one of my favorite colors. Yeah, I have a makeup. This is my favorite thing from the box because I actually needed it. Time for number 8. For curls that will survive content days and chaos. Curls के लिए, okay, she knows I'm in my curly girl era. Although आज मैंने बाल blow dry किए. आज मेरे curls curly नहीं कर रहे थे. I was just like, I don't want to do it. Oh, I have never tried this. मैं आज ही रात को try करूँगी. Oh no. I don't know what this is. H&M Beauty का flexible hair curler rod. हाँ, it's heatless curlers. मैंने एक ही बार खरीदा Amazon पे से because सब लोग उस पे वीडियो बना रहे थे, मुझे भी बनाना था, but मैंने यूज नहीं किया. And I don't know how to use it also. I'll have to watch a tutorial for it. But I've seen so much of this on the end. Basically, I have to take this and then like curl your hair and then put it in pins and all. मगजमारी का काम है, इसलिए मैंने आज तक किया नहीं है. But it's actually, oh, this bends and oh, it's got a wire inside. It's bending, so you can like keep your top hair especially just inside so that volume maintains. Not the same thing I've seen on Instagram. ये ऐसे 6 अलग डंडी के साथ आया है. If she has it and she's using it, I'm gonna ask her how she uses it. But I will definitely need a tutorial to use this. I don't know if it will work when my hair is in its natural form. I definitely know it will work when I have it blow dried like this. After this, I will eat 2 chakle. Something silly, but it made me think of your Paris trip. Of my Paris trip. Something silly. Is it a beret? It feels like that. But इसमें कुछ metal का भी है. Oh, what is this? Oh, such a cute. Oh my god. It's a croissant in a bag charm. So cute. I love it. This portion is Fudge is going to chew off this because he loves rope toys. But it's a bag charm. It's a brown bag charm. कौन से bag पे डालूं मैं ये? It's got a golden sun also. बहुत cute है. It's not silly at all. It's damn cute. Love it. Next is also something edible. I'm excited to eat this. It says, as we are all about the health days, this is sweet but responsible. Love it. चकली के बाद मुझे मीठा भी तो चाहिए ही था. Ooh, it's Cookie Man. Cookie Man. Ma'am has gone to Cookie Man and got sweet but responsible. Cookie Man थोड़ा ये होता है healthy की तरह ही. As we are all about health these days, this is sweet but responsible. Does she mean I have to be responsible while eating it and not like overeat this? Because I am not responsible when sweet is given to me. Honestly, honest to God, not a fan of Cookie Man's cookies because I feel like वो लोग थोड़ा धोखा देते हैं. जितनी खुशबू बाहर से आती है उतनी टेस्ट कुकीज में होती नहीं है. These are the cookies inside. Good. Okay. It's like जो लोग चाय खाते हैं वो लोग डुबा के खाएंगे तो उनको मजा आएगा. इनफैक्ट कुकी के रिकमेंडेशन पे कल मैंने ब्लिंकिट पे वो मंगाई थी, वो लड्डू हेजलनट वाले ईट बेटर से, which is sugar free because I was craving sweet. This I think my mom will like more and mom dad because they love like chai के साथ ऐसे biscuits. I'm not a big biscuit person and if I like cookies I have like a lot of Swedish House Mafia. I'm still a fan of the chakli though, this is my favorite. No bad vibes. Are you also a part of the puffy face club like me? This will help. I am definitely part of the puffy face club. Bro, if I stress and she knows it because when I was in Delhi I was max stressed. मेरा ऐसा शक्ल दो दुगना हो गया था मालूम है सूज के because of how stressed I was and how my cortisol level was so high. Oh, what is this? Wow, I have never seen something like this. अच्छा, it's an ice face. Oh, nice. Very interesting. It's an ice pack. इसको deep freezer में डालना है और उसको oh my god, Rita is going to get so scared if I put this. वो वैसे भी सोचते रहता है मैं क्या क्या करती हूँ because when I get puffy I ice my face. So basically keep it in the deep freezer and then ice. एकदम ठंडा ठंडा हो जाएगा तो पूरा एक साथ डीप पफ हो जाएगा. This is really nice. Scary looking but nice. I never even knew something like this existed. Woman has found so many different things. My happy place. This is for Reet, a quiet flex because details matter. इसको दूँ क्या बोलूँ? मेरा बर्थडे है ना, उसके लिए क्यों दिया? Since it's for him, I will make Reet open this and capture his reaction. उसके लिए मैं नहीं खोलती. मुझे मेरे ही गिफ्ट्स खोलने वैसे मेरे पास ज्यादा है.
Blably blue. What's Blably blue? Oh, I think it's a perfume.
Really?
Parfum for him.
Oh, Blably blue से. You are getting a lot of perfumes lately.
Ah, it's a this.
अरे क्या है बोलो तो सही.
Perfumes only.
मिनी परफ्यूम किट है वो ऐसा बोलते
But
हैं.
wait, there's Old Money, My Wingman, Self-Made, By the Beach, Lights Off, Love Drunk.
ओल्ड मनी सूंघने दो मेरे को. Does it suit you?
Not bad, but little strong.
Yeah, because old money. This is like that typical Udi Muslim man fragrance. This is like Dubai billionaire personality. I'll tell you which one you like.
This is my Wingman. No, very masala like.
Okay, then self-made that suits you. Self-made suits you. Ah, this is not nice. जो अभी spray किया.
Very masala like.
Cinnamony. अभी तुम बॉडी पे करो क्योंकि हवा हमारी भर चुकी है. Nice. I like. Decent, yeah. I think beach is going to suit you. Beach भी है. By the beach, yeah.
By the beach.
You're a bitch kind of a guy. कितनी खुशबू हो गई बेडरूम में. थोड़ा दूसरे पार्ट ऑफ हाउस में जाते हैं. तुम्हारे हाथ में वो मिनी साइज इत्तू सा लग रहा है.
Oh, this is good. Light but kind of fruity.
Actually, she did a very good job giving you travel-friendly perfumes because you don't travel with your perfume. Ah, this is really nice.
This is actually good.
It's like a dupe of some luxury perfume. तुम इसके साथ travel किया करो, तुम्हारे लिए तो बहुत सही काम हो गया.
Thank you so much, Aditi. This is very thoughtful. This is
मैं
definitely something that I'm gonna carry on my travels.
14 gym motivation for you, but Fudge will follow. I feel like it's a toy for Fudge, and it's a dumbbell toy. I can feel the dumbbell. Fudge, you toy for you. There's your toy. Want to open? See what Corky gave you. What Corky gave you? What's that? What is that, Mama? Take pull. Good boy. Pull it. Yes. Pull. Open. Help Mama open. Yes. Open karo. Very good. What is this? It's a 5 kg dumbbell. Fudgy, you lift my weights. You lift weights. Who's got a new toy? Who's got a new toy? Go! Good luck! Good boy, but you got a new dumbbell. Come inside, come with Mama, come. You're so happy with your toy. You're making so much noise. So much noise you're making. You're happy, Mama. You got a new toy. Now there's so many people spoiling you. Constantly getting you toys. This one says it's for my mother. Since glam runs in the family, a little something for auntie as well.
Thank you, Quirky. That's so sweet of you to think of us.
Malika, since glam is in the family, a little
Oh,
something.
nice. What a word she used. You know, glam is in the family. See, Sarah, you have to pay attention to
ग्लैम इन द फैमिली मतलब शुरू किसने किया ये ग्लैम? हाँ? Oh my God, एक लिपस्टिक तुम खरीदी थी बस वो शैम्बर की.
That's
तुम लोग
glam.
फाउंडेशन इन लोग दोनों के शेड का उसमें मैं पानी डाल के यूज करती थी. इन लोग दोनों का शेड देख और मेरा शेड देख. Yeah, you tear it, Ishan, tear it. Yes, thank you. Ishan is like, फाड़ भाई फाड़.
लेके
क्या
जा
है ये?
L'Oreal का.
Ooh, you are worth it. Yes.
You are worth it.
Lipstick, makeup.
Wow! Superb.
Lipstick, na?
Yes,
Lipstick.
satin lipstick. kit.
Golden
Yes.
satin lipstick. Wow.
You're worth
Superb. I am truly worth it.
L'Oreal की ad हो गई है तो
Thanks,
integration.
Quirky. Thanks so much.
Precision, perfection and recipes done right. Ma made it energy. Is it शिवेश की बुक या कोई कुकिंग बुक? मुझे कुकिंग बुक दिया गया. फजी अभी टॉय के साथ खेल रहा है गाइस. वेलकम टू द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज. लास्ट में देना चाहिए था उसको. इट्स अ weighing scale. ओह ब्रो, दिस इज सो यूजफुल. ये बहुत यूजफुल चीज है हमारे लिए. इम्पल्स में तो बहुत ही ज्यादा यूजफुल है बिकॉज दिस इज अ weighing scale for your ingredients. You can measure like less amount of ingredients on this. I used to have one for impulse coffees. हमको लगता है कभी कभी to just check when we are dealing with new ingredients and new stuff हम लोग को weigh करने के लिए लगता है. And मेरे पास जो है वो इतनी accurate नहीं है, so I'm very excited for this. It's a digital weighing scale for ingredients. She's sent it for baking, but it's actually very useful to the impulse office. Whenever we are testing new products, we needed to check कि कितना ग्राम डालना है, कौन सी पैकेजिंग में डालना है, etc. etc. It's a super useful item. Okay, next says small things, big comfort for Papa Sarosh. It feels like chappal, घर की चप्पल or something. I will keep it for Papa Sarosh. पापा ये देखो क्वाकी ने तुमको मिस्ट्री बॉक्स में मेरे बर्थडे के मिस्ट्री. Yes.
अरे वाह.
खोलो अभी. क्या लिखा है उस पे?
17 small things, big comfort for Papa Sarosh. Wow. Thank you.
मेरे को लगता है चप्पल है.
मेरे को लगता है टाई है.
हाँ, जो भी होगा.
नहीं बट कंफर्ट
That's such a sweet thought of her, ना, to do
चप्पल
this.
होगा.
Yes. चप्पल है ना?
Wow, pair of socks.
ओ सॉक्स.
Vanishing.
अरे वाह. अरे अरे.
Thank you, Quirky. Love you.
So good. Premium cotton socks.
Yes.
Okay, the last thing, you make me happy. The final touch that changes the whole vibe. This is juta. She knows my jute ka size. Did she ask me? I don't remember. Charles and Keith से लाई है मैम. भाई क्वाकी बहुत खर्चा करती है सच्ची में. It is oh my god. Oh dude. These are stunning. I am shocked. This is so stunning, Aditi. Oh my god. Now I need a birthday outfit to match exactly this pair of heel. And she's so thoughtful because she's given me a small heel. I don't wear big heels. She knows that because I'm very tall and I'm uncomfortable in big heels. Sometimes I do. This is gorgeous. I need to see if it's my size. It's exactly my size. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. And Charles and Keith makes the best, most comfortable footwear. जब भी मैं सिंगापुर जाती हूँ, I hoard into all of their collection because they're so cheap in Singapore. This is a stunning pair of footwear. It's really beautiful. It is now like patent leather, very shiny. Oh, I love the color. So, oh my god, it's lovely. It matches my lipstick also. मैं हर चीज के लिए बोल रही हूँ ना कि it's my favorite thing. She's really outdone herself, huh? Really. Okay, 19 says birthday rule. If it sparkles, it's meant for you. I'm scared. I'm genuinely scared. This is also Charles and Keith, I think. Your Aditi Masi has spent a lot of money. Okay, I think it's a shimmery, shiny bag because Aditi loves shiny rhinestone bags. I have 1-2 shiny bags, but oof. Oh, it is chunky but in a very classy chunky way. I love the silver hardware, dude. Aditi has great taste, that I must say. What a color. Like, look at this color. It's a plum wine color and it would go so well with this. Like, this itself is an outfit. Now I just need a plain outfit and my birthday look is sorted. Like, it's so stunning and it's silver hardware, so I can basically carry it with silver jewelry, which is so rare in bags. Too good only. Like, kitna. She's done a lot of kharcha though, that I am not happy about. This is exceeding my own birthday budget for myself. One thing about Aditi, she's very dildar. Like, she's extremely dildar, and her whole family only. When I had gone home also, they were just like serving and feeding and so hospitable and so like it's a घर जैसा लगता है ना उनके साथ. Truly. 20 saved this for the final reveal. Main character energy activated because the spotlight follows you anyway. Doing my best, relax, and the camera is on. इससे no. I'm genuinely scared because you cannot top what she's already given. I had a feeling this girl is going to give me a luxury sunglasses. You know, when she came for my last birthday, also she gave me a Bilgari sunglass at the Patek Sara launch when she came for my birthday. This girl, like I'm saying, is bougie and I love her. But like I said, Aditi's love language is to gift and she doesn't hold back. This is a sunglass hut bag. She's bought my entire birthday wish list. Like I don't need to shop for myself anymore. She's bought everything. Oh, Coach ka. I don't know what to say because I was expecting this only from Aditi. I'm not even like surprised. It's so freaking. I have not bought myself a good pair of sunglasses in so long. How does it look? Ooh, I look like a bougie auntie. I'm looking like I'm 27. It's honestly not the kind of color I would pick because I mostly have blacks and browns. So it's a burgundy frame. उसने एक पूरा look ही बना दिया है मेरे लिए, like burgundy and burgundy. She went for like a whole look. Like this could be my birthday brunch look, you know, with the burgundy accessories and maybe a beige or a white dress. I love the thought that she's put behind, especially these final three. She wanted it to be a look in itself. And like I'm saying, because it's Aditi, I'm not even surprised that it's Max Bougie. I love her, and I knew this was coming. And thank you so much. I'm now gonna video call her and डांटी her कि इसने क्यों इतना खर्चा किया है. फज्जू को सच्ची में guys इतना लोग बिगाड़ते. अभी इम्पल्स की पार्टी थी, 2-3 देखो डांटी, she's shouting at me. What? You are getting gifts from everyone. I'm seeing this. इम्पल्स की पार्टी में उसको लोगों ने टॉय ला के दिया, सब्सक्राइबर्स आए थे उसने टॉय ला के दिया है. अभी आदू में के पॉडकास्ट में गए थे तो आदू ने उसके लिए टॉय लाया था. अभी सब आपके लिए टॉय लेके आ रहे हैं. हाँ बच्चों, go catch. Go. And he loves these squeaky toys. Now its new obsession is squeaky toys. First he used to only like humpy toys. Now he likes squeaky toys. Anyway, that was it for my first birthday mystery box birthday video. And honestly, do not know कि इसको क्या top up कर सकते हैं. कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते इसको top up. This is the peak. This should actually go up one day before my birthday or something. This is not even a welcome. But Aditi और हमने plan किया कि 17 तारीख को ये video live लेंगे. तो let's see अगर हमारा posting schedule match हुआ या नहीं. I'm sure this video deserves a thumbs up, guys. So definitely give it a big thumbs up. Like this video and don't forget to watch Quirky's video जिसका link मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. Huge thank you to Quirky Miss. Thank you so much for giving so much and really honestly outdoing yourself. You are one of my closest friends in the industry and I'm so glad I got to do this with you. She's genuinely a very genuine person and I love her to bits. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel, you have to. Of course, I'm not giving a Sara Squad a shout out today because she is my Sara Squad, my Quirky Squad. She's everything. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video from the birthday series. Bye bye.